In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your customer list from QuickBooks Online, a process that's essential for those who need to maintain organized records and gain insights for business decisions. Whether you're transitioning to a new software, sharing information with a team, or just keeping track of data, exporting your customer list can be extremely helpful. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by signing into your QuickBooks account. Look for the sign in option and click on it. You'll then be prompted to choose your specific QuickBooks platform. In this case, select QuickBooks Online from the options available. This will direct you to a page where you can enter your login credentials. Carefully type in your email and password, making sure everything is correct. Once you've double checked that, go ahead and click on the Continue button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your QuickBooks interface. There you'll find the Settings icon. Go ahead and click on it, which will open up a menu with various options tailored to managing your account and its features. Right here, you should see an option for Export Data. Clicking on Export Data brings you to a series of choices designed for exporting different parts of your QuickBooks data. What you'll do next is click on the Lists tab. This section lists various data types available for export, including customer details, suppliers, and more. For the purpose of our task, your focus will be on the Customers section. When you click on Customers, you're specifying that you want to extract this particular list from your account, isolating it for convenient access outside the application. With your customer list ready for export, the final step involves clicking on Export to Excel. This option initiates the download of your customer data into a spreadsheet format, specifically an Excel file. This is ideal for managing data, performing analyses, or sharing it with others, given Excel's flexibility and widespread use. The download will begin automatically once you click, and you'll find the file saved in your designated downloads folder ready for your use. We've just walked through exporting your customer list from QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process ensures your data is accessible in a format that's easy to manage and share. Remember, having your customer information effectively organized in Excel can greatly support your business decisions. Be sure to safeguard your exported files and manage them responsibly, especially if they contain sensitive customer information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in achieving a smooth and efficient export. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.